Hello, my name is Diana Lobzeva. I'm a fertility doctor and the head of NGC International. COVID-19 pandemic and global lockdowns has sufficiently changed humans' plan for this year, especially for those who intended to enlarge their families and try hard to complete their IVF rounds without any risk and harms for their future babies. Clinics were closing and reopened several times during the summer. New restrictions were either introduced or cancelled. Data about COVID-19 infection and infertility is still too few and seem to have further investigations. And I'm really sure there are some of you who are close to lose the hope for the successful treatment finishing, because no one knows when the pandemic will end, how long it's going to last. What about the COVID infection, comparing the pregnancy result and IVF outcomes? How much will it cost you to have another round of IVF treatment? And what about the age? Because if you're 40 plus and you are forced to withdraw your treatment again, will you be able to complete it in 2, 3, 5, 12 months? Questions, uncertainty, frustrations and fears. Within the next few minutes, I'm going to help you to understand how you can get your best fertility treatment despite COVID-19 infection, closed borders, and for absolutely affordable cost. First of all, I would like to tell you a story of a patient of mine who managed to have a great fertility service even within these unprecedented times. Catherine turned 42 this spring, when her fertility gynecologist announced her that they had to suspend her fertility treatment due to pandemic restrictions that was imposed to the clinic. She was devastated, because she was perfectly understanding her time was running out due to the age, and she was unable to go on with the treatment further. She struggled a lot already and hopelessly with her own eggs, with the numerous failed IVF tries, and this summer, exactly this summer, she was finally planning to do it with egg donor, which wasn't, however, a cheap decision. Despite that, she was approved with the financing around $40,000 or $30,000 for her guarantee program in a local fertility center, and right before starting her program, she received a notification from her fertility doctor that they had to suspend the program. She searched the internet for different options worldwide and found us. We had a video meeting right the same day. We discussed all possible ways out and solutions, and saying ahead, she is already 4 weeks pregnant right now. Are you interested in how we managed to help her? I'm going to share with you all the reasons how NGC can help you in search for fertility treatment abroad. We receive your request, and our professional patient coordinators make a preliminary matching of the best treatment program for you, assuming the epidemic situation and your risks for the traveling. We are monitoring all the situation about your trip according to the latest information about COVID-19. From the very first step, you will receive free of charge online consultation with one of our fertility specialists to discuss your success rates, to discuss your questions, to get the final advices upon your upcoming trip. After the consultation, you will be provided with a treatment plan, detailed and tentative personal treatment plan with step-by-step description on your medical preparing process. You'll need just to find the local support. Your gynecologist will need to make 2 ultrasound and give you prescriptions for the drugs. Throughout all your preparing treatment, you will be supervised by your personal coordinator who will be supplying you with all the necessary help. The clinic will prepare your medical invitation as well as the rest of documents for easy traveling for medical purposes. Our priority is your success and your comfort throughout of all your treatment. And we definitely understand how it's unsafe currently to visit medical centers. That's why we take care all about every step of your preparing. Whatever treatment options you choose, the price will be at least 50% less. Rather than that, you will get in your local fertility center. Do you remember I told you about Kathy? She was approved with quite a lot of money for her egg donation program. And actually, she spent at least 4 times less here. And she spent 7 marvelous, unforgettable days enjoying European culture, food, treasures, hospitality of St. Petersburg. Katie has just performed her COVID-19 test for 72 hours before her arrival and after she left back. There is no cost to speak with us on phone to see how we can help you. If you're uncertain about the fertility program or fertility center you're going to visit, we will just summarize your financial needs, we will summarize your medical treatment plan, and we will try to help you within your decision. You have no risk in reaching us. If you do not like the fertility treatment option, we will just help you with the rest of questions if you have any. Reach us out as soon as possible and we will try to help you. We will be looking forward to seeing you here in St. Petersburg in NGC.